What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Bostic coming at you with another technology tutorial. Today is going to be real quick. We're going to show you how to use the snipping tool. Alright, so if you ever have something on your screen that you need to take a screenshot or a still image of your screen, if you're using Windows, you normally have the snipping tool automatically installed on your computer. To use it, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our start button, and if we just click on it one time and start typing, don't click on anything else, just click it once, start typing snip, and by the time you type in SNIPP, it will normally bring up the snipping tool, or you can type it all completely in, hit open, and that will open the snipping tool. Now this is this cool looking thing right down here. It's going to tell you that they're updating it or whatever. I haven't used the updated one. If when I do, I'll make another tutorial on how to use it. But for right now, we're using the old school model. So it's really simple. You only have a couple options. Up here it says new. So you want to make a new snip. If I click new, it's gonna gray out my screen and ask me, my cursor turns into this plus to let me go ahead and choose what area I want to snip. If I go, let's say I want to snip just the middle part of this website, I can come up here and click and hold. Now notice the snipping tool dialog went away as soon as I started dragging. So if you drag over where the snipping tool dialog was, it'll actually not be there. So that's a cool thing about it. But if I wanted to get just say this part here, when I let go, it's gonna put me, I'm still inside of snipping tool, and show me my image, and then I could do my little save and tell it where I want to save it and name it snipping tool example or whatever. All right, make sure you tell it what type of file you want to save it as. I normally just leave it as a PNG and hit save, and that's what you'll have. All right, good luck, give it a try, and I'll see you next time.